Hello everyone, welcome to session 1 of Selenium training. Introduction to Selenium. Selenium is a set of tools. If somebody is saying that Selenium is not a single tool. It's a set of tools that supports test automation for any web-based applications. Mainly we will use the Selenium to automate web-based applications. And this Selenium will support anywhere where JavaScript is supported. And one more advantage of Selenium is Selenium will support many languages like Java, Ruby, Python, C#. That means, say for example, if I am good in Java, then what I can do, I can write my Selenium scripts by using Java. Say for example, you are comfortable in C#, then what you can do is you can write your Selenium scripts by using your C#. So Selenium will support many languages. And you can ask me one question, what prerequisites I required? Now I wanted to learn my Selenium, what prerequisites I need to have? Here I can say that prerequisites to learn your Selenium is, all you need to know is HTML. How HTML looks like and what do you mean by HTML. We will be learning this HTML as well going forward. And one more thing, this Selenium will provide a rich set of testing functions. As I said earlier, Selenium is used to test your web applications, and also this Selenium is having so many built-in functions to test your web applications. Those things we will be learning going forward. Selenium features. What are all the Selenium features? The very first point is Selenium is an open source tool, meaning it's a free of cost. Because of this reason also, nowadays Selenium is becoming popular because it's a free of cost. That is the first thing, first feature. The second feature is Selenium supports cross-browser testing, meaning Selenium will support different browsers like your Chrome, IE, Firefox. So Selenium supports cross-browser testing. If I'm having scripts in one browser, I can execute the same scripts with other browsers as well. So my Selenium scripts can be run in the multiple browsers. And as we discussed, Selenium will support so many languages like Java, C#, PHP, Python, Ruby. It will support many languages. And one more thing is, this Selenium is having inbuilt reporting mechanism. All these features we will be discussing in detail in our further sessions. Right now just we are trying to understand the overall features for your Selenium. And also in Selenium one more advantage is, if you are having your Selenium scripts, you can execute these scripts on various operating systems. I can execute the Selenium with my Windows 7, with my Mac OS, with my Windows 8. I can execute on various operating systems. And one more thing guys, this Selenium supports mobile devices. Selenium also supports mobile devices. And you are having one more Selenium tool called Selenium Grids. Just now we understand that Selenium is nothing but it's a set of tools. In that one tool called Selenium Grid, because of this Selenium Grid, you can execute your test cases parallelly. And these Selenium operations are highly flexible. And even Selenium is having good object identification mechanism called element locators. We will discuss that element locators in our further sessions. And I wanted to give you Selenium history. This is just for your reference. In 2004, this Selenium is introduced by Jason at ThoughtWorks organization. And actually this Selenium is developed to test the internal web-based applications. So this Jason, he wanted to test his web-based application using some JavaScript library. That JavaScript library slowly became Selenium. Earlier it was called as Selenium Core, which is nothing but Selenium 1.0, and which is nothing but Selenium 1.0 or Selenium Core is nothing but Selenium IDE plus Selenium RC is called as your Selenium Core. RC is nothing but remote control. And then in 2006 we got WebDriver into the market. Once this WebDriver came, after coming this WebDriver into the market, then Selenium drastically changed, and you can see lot of flexibility with your Selenium scripts. And in 2008 the Selenium 1 and WebDriver is merged, then it is called Selenium 2.0. The Selenium 2.0 is also called as Selenium WebDriver. This is the history of your Selenium. This is just for your reference. Nobody will ask you about these dates, but just this is for your reference, because I am learning my Selenium, so I should be comfortable with all my history of Selenium. And then these are all the components. So till now, right, every time I am saying that Selenium, and also I said that Selenium is nothing but it's a set of tools. What do you mean by set of tools? So my Selenium is nothing but all these tools. Selenium is equal to Selenium IDE, Selenium RC, Selenium WebDriver and Selenium Grid, which is nothing but your Selenium. That's why I said that Selenium is a suite of tools which is used to automate your web applications. Selenium IDE, Selenium RC, WebDriver and Selenium Grid. We will be learning these components going forward. That's all guys for the session 1. Thank you all.